Welcome to the Woyu channel. Today we received a big guy from Goldshell. It's the E-AE1M from the Aleo series. The weight with packaging is approximately 17.7 kilograms. The original packaging contains a Wi-Fi antenna, screws, accessories, and one instruction manual. One power cable with a 10-ampere plug. The cable is very thick. One pair of chassis handles. You can install them yourself if needed. Moving aside the protective layer on top reveals the main body of the miner. Net weight, 15.4 kilograms. Now we have unboxed this E-AE1M. 2000 watts, 230 megahash per second. Regarding network ports, it features both Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity. Regarding the power supply, it uses a power cable with a plug rated for 180 to 240 volts and 10 amperes, because they probably considered that this size could fit into a server cabinet. Therefore, there are no feet or pads on the bottom. Its dimensions should be able to fit into a server cabinet. It should be close to a TU width. Regarding the fans, similar to the DG Max, and also like its Eco series, it uses two 120mm fans at the front and two at the back. Regarding its appearance, it is quite similar to the previous Eco series. So, let's move directly to the hands-on testing section. Now let's power it on for actual testing. First, let's turn on the power. When the power is turned on, it has the characteristic Goldshell feature, that frog-like croaking sound. Did you hear it? That raw sound is exactly the startup sound. We need to ensure that the miner and your computer are on the same network cable or the same Wi-Fi network. We go to the Goldshell official website, find the support section, and there's also Find Your Miner. You will be able to see your machine's IP address. We click on this small gear icon on the right side. To enter the backend, you can switch the language in the upper right corner. Switch to your desired language. Then there is an unlock button here. We need to click on it first to unlock it. The default password is 1 through 9. Now it is successfully unlocked. Now you can configure your miner's backend. In the second tab, there's Miner. Add your address. I'll use F2 pool as an example. Like in Goldshell's backend, I just need to click once on F2 pool and the address is filled in. Now we just need to go to F2 pool to find your username. Which is your worker name? We just need to copy this name and paste it into your miner's backend. If you have multiple machines, you can add a dot after the worker name and then different name to identify your different machines. You can fill in the password arbitrarily, then click Apply. This way, a new mining pool address is created. If you want this newly added mining pool address to be the first, you just need to drag it directly upwards. Then now, wait for this small shovel icon to turn green. Mining pool configuration is complete. Let's click back to the home page to see its real-time computing power. The Goldshell Eco series consists of two main boards in total. We can see them at the bottom of the back-end interface. Now the machine has been running for about 21 minutes, and it has stabilized at 230 megahash. Power consumption is approximately 1,926 watts. It stabilizes around 1,926 watts. This is almost consistent with the official specifications. After the machine has run for about 15 minutes, and the computing power has stabilized, its noise level drops to around 66 decibels. After a round of actual testing, this Goldshell E-AE1M can achieve a computing power of 230 megahash. There is no difference from the official claims. Regarding noise, it's not very suitable for home mining. If you insist on placing it at home, it's not impossible, but it will be a bit noisy. For the Echo series, I think the good thing is it has a Wi-Fi setup. It allows for more flexible placement of the machine due to this feature. It also shares the Echo series characteristic startup, bellow like a cow, and a subsequent roaring noise. Regarding temperature, we just measured it. After running stably for 20 minutes, the exhaust air temperature was around 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the chassis sides also remained close to room temperature. Therefore, in terms of temperature control, better than the previous DG1M machines. Its overall chassis design sits between home use, dedicated miner use, and server cabinet use. You can either very effectively hide it in some corner of your home, or place it into a 2U server cabinet. If placed on racks in a mining farm, then that's even less of a problem. So it's a machine suitable for multiple scenarios. If you are interested in mining machines, you can visit our ViaBTC official website or join our TG group. Get the latest daily miner prices and information. That's all for today's share. See you!